Go.
Hi family, hi guys. Ulam for tonight. Hindi po tayo nagluto. Inuwian po tayo ng ating daughter ng cracker chicken. Chicken crock. Ano, daughter? Ano? Crock chicken. Crock chicken, guys, sa Porirua. Guys, from Porirua, North City Mall in Porirua, crock chicken. Yan po, inuwian po tayo. Family, guys. Ano po siya? Boneless, ano po siya? Thai. Na meron po siyang pickles. Tapos meron po siyang coleslaw. Ayan. Tsaka yung tira nating leftover na dynamite. Ayan po, guys, family. Ayan po, tikman po natin, guys, family. Ayan. Ito po yung ating mahiwagang red paw. Yung. Ayan po, tikman natin yung boneless, ano natin. Ayan, kukunin ko na yung sa may sauce. Ayan po, guys, oh. Para matikman natin. Boneless type po to, family, guys. Tikman natin. A little bit crunchy. The sauce is a little bit sour. A little bit salty. All in all, delicious. Yan guys, family. Ulam for tonight. Crack chicken from Porirua, North City Mall. Pasalubong po ng ating daughter. Thank you sa sponsor, my daughter, youngest daughter. Alright, ulam for tonight. Chicken, crack chicken. Beautiful.